Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have an unboxing for you. I just received my June subscription to the Paper Person, and I thought I would just show you a quick unboxing. So I will link them below. This is just the paper company that I currently have a subscription with. I pay every month, not an affiliate link, not anything like that, but I thought you guys might be interested to see this kit. All right, let's go. Okay, so the theme this month is all about travel, which is just so appropriate because so many people are so anxious to travel. We were kind of cooped up last summer, and so I know a lot of people have vacations planned, and so I think this is going to be a really well-loved kit. So we have this cut-apart sheet. I love the cards. That's probably one of my favorite things about Paper Person besides the stamps. I love, love, love the cards. So I will be cutting these apart. And I just think they're so fun and fresh. I like the bright colors for summer. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. I love that. Essential road trip snacks. That is super cute to add to your journaling. Into the wilderness, if you're headed out to like a national park, something like that. Where should we go today? Look at that cute bear. Adorable. And then I think I really like the clouds and the backpacks. When I travel with my kids, we have so many backpacks that I feel like this card will definitely be used. And then on the back, you have these compasses. I love that. One cool thing about Paper Person, when you buy their monthly kit, you get digital files of the cards. So if you really like the compass or the back of the cards, you can use that and then just print out the cards separately. So super cute. And then here's the second page of cards. We have our little campsite right here. I love this journaling spot. Perfect. So cute with the elevation map and the florals. Let's make more adventures. Road tripping. Then you have distance, time, along for the ride, notes from the road. So this is like a road trip card. I love that they help you focus on some of your journaling. These end up most times in my creative journal, but sometimes in my memory planner, and a really pretty ledger with that mustard yellow on the back. Love that. Oh, that is pretty. Look at those teals in that pattern paper. That is super cute. This is from Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold, which I had not seen any of her papers yet, and look at that. I feel like that's a little different for Amy Tangerine, and I like it. I like the sketch flowers. I would definitely be trimming some of those out. I think that is super cute. I like both sides. I think that's a fun paper to include. And then Maggie Holmes Garden Party. This is one that I have already. Very pretty. I like the florals. All right, so I feel like there's less papers this month. I'm a little bit disappointed. There's only 2 extra papers this month, 2 card papers, and then we also got a smaller stamp set. So I'm a little bit disappointed, honestly. I feel like the size of the kit is smaller than it has been in the past. But let's take a look at some of the other elements. So we have this cute stamp set. I'm putting it on here so you can see it. It's a 3x4 stamp set. Normally we've gotten 4x6. So this is a different size. Weekend trip, gone a few days, a big vacation, never going home. Love that. Let's get away on the road again. All good things are wild and free. That's super cute. And then I love this little cell phone stamp that has the little road map on it. And then this says much needed change of scenery. So I really, really like all those stamps. I just wish it was a full-size stamp set instead of just 3x4. But that's cute. That's very, very cute. Let's see. We have the Paper Person alphabet stickers. This is kind of their standard sticker sheet that we've been getting on a monthly basis in a different color, in that dark green. I love those, and I actually really like the sizing for the type of memory keeping that I do. Works out really well. You have one small page of cardstock stickers, and before we've gotten a large sheet of cardstock stickers. So I feel like everything is scaled down a little bit this month, which is slightly disappointing. So maybe that's just this month, or maybe that's a change. We'll have to see as we go forward. Okay, we have day, distance traveled. So these are to mark your road trip. I like these little stops. So these are little tabs that you can pull off. And maybe you're marking days of your vacation in your journal, something like that, and then tabs over here. Those are cute. And then we have stickers that are puffy stickers, super soft puffy stickers, which I really like. Into the forest I go, up in the mountains. So this one is very nature themed. Take a hike. You have all of these stopping places for camping. We're going to the national park. This scenic view. This is my happy place. Leave the road, take the trails. Very cute. I love that. All right, so this is the June kit. Like I said, I love the theme. I love the colors. I love how it's all put together. I think my one, I don't know if it would even like rise to the level of complaint. I'm just a little bit disappointed. I feel like the kit is smaller this month. And I don't know if that's a trend going forward, so we'll have to see. But usually I love their kits. It's, more than enough for the type of memory keeping I do. I just really like their stamps, and I wish this were a bigger stamp set for sure. So I will link them down below. They also release a bunch more stamp sets this month that have to do with travel and summer travel and hiking and national parks, like all of those things. So if you are going on vacation and you're going to some specific places, you may want to check out what they have over in their shop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to all of my YouTube members. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you are interested in becoming a Scrappy YouTube member and finding out more about the perks that they receive as members, then make sure to click the join button, or you can find a link in the description box. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.